Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add the Ocean WP sidebar and footers to our site using the Elementor page builder. First we need to go to the site and then click on visit site. Here now we are going to the top and click on edit with Elementor. Now we are going to scroll down to an open section like this one, and on the widget search bar we are going to type sidebar, and we are going to click with the left mouse button, hold, drag and release on the open section, and it works quite simple. We don't have too many options. We are going to choose a sidebar and we are going to choose the default sidebar, and this is the sidebar the page has when we create it with the sidebar allow, but it will show to the side of the page. With this widget we can add it whenever we want, wherever we want, and we can also choose the footers we have created with the theme. Like this one, as you can see, is the same, and we can add it wherever we want. We can duplicate it, I guess, and it allows us a great flexibility that we cannot have in using the theme only. So we have a footer and we can add a sidebar like this, and as you can see, it's a sidebar with the default theme. So you will have to edit it on the customizing option of the theme. So we are going to save the changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have added the theme sidebar to Elementor page builder in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Polytech.